nyakwa Ramogi kama oyudo ni kamati ma Senate mochung' ne weche mag thieth owinjo ni jotuo manowito ngimagi e kar thieth ma Kenyatta kod Mama Lucy nodek miyo kony gino manokelo tho margi. Kamati no noyudo lipot kowuok kuom migawo mar thieth kanyakla kod board marango kaka itayo thieth e pacho ka.
This 2.51 to 2.3. It shows that there is no attendance to the patient on Mama Lucy. Because of, I don't know, is it because of negligence or whatever?
If you appear before a standing committee on the health from the Senate and you can't even pinpoint and tell for sure whether that consultant was physically present during all that time or not, I mean, it's shameful, Dr. for you to say such words. The other issue is from your own report, 2.14. Let me read it verbatim. Overall, it is noted that there were delays in the management of the patient, which led to poor maternal outcomes. Where is Maureen Anyango today? Where is she, Doctor? Where is Maureen Anyango as we speak now? She's no more. We are talking about someone losing their life here. Mama Lucy has become a conveyor belt to the death chamber. When you tell us that you noted there were delays, isn't this inducting the whole situation? Are you in short telling us there was a lot of medical negligence, but you're just trying to sugarcoat your report and giving us very sweet words, yet we know it is negligent? I'm also, sorry for jumping over the gun, I'm also looking at the recommendations you've made, 3.10. I mean, surely, Doctor, you can't come here and tell us that you want us to admonish Mama Lucy just by family warning them, and someone lost her life. There are kids now who don't have a mother. There's a husband who lost the wife out of the first pregnancy. I don't know whether, I know you have kids. Do you know the joy that comes with giving birth? I'm sure you know the joy. Imagine that young man now, and then you're telling us we simply warn Mama Lucy. Are you really serious, Doctor? And the rest of the recommendations are purely on issues to do with regulation. If you're telling us you will, I don't know, seek to confirm whether the professionals there have evidence of training, I mean, isn't that not your core mandate as an authority? Do I have to tell you what to do as an authority? Really, Doctor?
I will ask the medical council. I need 2 people. I'll ask the clinical. I form teams to carry out it.
I understand the whole process is cascading down.
Yes.
You are the regulator and the regulators are there.
Yeah.
But if in your own report you are telling us you want us to submit evidence of training of these guys, then that means you're not doing your job because you're not even oversighting that you're supposed to oversight. Then they go and confirm indeed that has been that trained. So that cascading is what I'm really concerned with.